What is an estate plan? I'm an estate planning lawyer, and people often ask me, what exactly is an estate plan? So basically, an estate plan is a comprehensive set of documents that distributes your assets after your death, but also manages it while you're still alive. So estate planning essentially has three primary documents. It's a will, it's a power of attorney, and an advance directive. Sometimes we do trust, but the three primary documents and components of an estate plan in Alabama is the will, the power of attorney, and the advance directive. The will is that document that distributes your assets after you die. It tells your personal representative what to do with your assets, how to distribute them. If you have children under 19, it designates your guardian, like who's going to be that person who will take care of your children if you and their other parent is deceased. That ultimate worst case scenario, if that happens, you want to be sure your children are provided for and taken care of. So that will is absolutely vital to have if you are a parent of minor children. The power of attorney is that document, and arguably I say it's the most important document in your estate planning package, because it allows someone to take care of your affairs, your health decisions, medical decisions, legal decisions, financial, if you're not able to make those decisions yourself. If you have a terrible car accident and you're stuck in a hospital bed for weeks at a time, who's going to talk to your mortgage company? Again, who's going to take care of your minor children if you have minor children? So there's a lot of things that an agent in that power of attorney can take care of for you if you're not able to. And then there's the advance directive for healthcare, what a lot of people call a living will. That is that end-of-life document where you are designating if you want to have life-sustaining treatment, if you're terminally ill or injured, and you're designating a proxy. And the proxy is the person who's going to speak on your behalf and tell the doctors what to do. These are important decisions to be made that you don't want to leave to chance. We never know when that last breath is going to happen. We never know we may have that car accident. So you need to be prepared. If you have minor children, it's essential to be prepared because you don't want to leave your children in limbo. You don't want to have your children the center of a custody battle between grandparents or family members. So be sure if you have minor children, have a plan in place for those minor children. But also, if you have adult kids, you want to be sure they're not arguing. And having an estate plan will help reduce the conflict that can happen after someone passes away. Whether you have $10 or $10 billion, you need an estate plan. Believe me, I have seen people argue over Tupperware. So be sure, regardless of how much money you have in your bank account, that you have an estate plan in place, whether it's just a will, a power of attorney, advance directive, or you add a trust. If you have children with special needs, you absolutely need a special needs trust to protect them in the future and protect what their inheritance may be, and they can still qualify for Medicaid and government assistance in the future. You don't want to, so many people are well-meaning. You have parents and grandparents who are well-meaning and who want to leave money for minor children, want to leave money for someone with special needs. But you need to do it appropriately. You need to do it correctly so that you don't accidentally do something that's going to be harmful to them or that's going to take money away from that child or that special needs child. So talk to a lawyer, get your estate plan in place, and make sure it is proper, done correctly, so that your wishes can be honored in the future.